The year was 1955. America was in the midst of change and innovation. It was a time of optimism, hard work, and a vision for the future. The average family brought home about $4,400 a year, and a gallon of gas was just 23 cents. The newest car models rolled off assembly lines for under $2,000, and the cost of a brand new home? A little over $10,000. Rock and roll was taking over the airwaves. Bill Haley and his Comets topped the charts with Rock Around the Clock, and a young Elvis Presley was changing music forever. Families tuned in nightly to watch I Love Lucy and The Honeymooners, while movie theaters were packed for films like Rebel Without a Cause and Lady and the Tramp. On the national stage, President Eisenhower led the country. The polio vaccine brought hope to families, and the interstate highway system was beginning to connect America like never before. Life on the farm looked much different too. Farmers relied on ingenuity, determination, and the tools of the time to feed a growing nation. Fertilizer and agricultural practices were evolving, paving the way for a new era in farming. And it was in this time of growth and opportunity that three visionaries, Dr. Victor T. Gins, Joseph P. Henry, and George B. Ward, came together with a bold idea: to revolutionize agriculture and create a legacy. Their vision became Growers Mineral, and their story began in 1955. Now, 70 years later, Growers Mineral remains dedicated to that same legacy of innovation, hard work, and vision. From a single idea in 1955 to serving farms across 27 states and Canada today, we celebrate 7 decades of growth. We want to take a moment to thank everyone who made this journey possible, the visionaries who started it all, those who are no longer with us but whose contributions live on, and the people gathered here today who continue to carry the torch. Here's to 70 years and still growing strong, from 1955 to 2025. And here's to the next 70 years of innovation, dedication, and success. Together, we will keep growing.